Welcome back to another art and music video. Today I'm going to show you how to expertly explore Spotify. Spotify is a music app, of course. So the first way to browse Spotify is just going over here to the browse category, and right away you will see genres and moods. Through this you can find hip hop or any other kind of genre, especially alternative, which is something that art and music focuses on. You can also find podcasts, isn't really music, top charts for the US or even global. So I'll show you the top 50 songs right now in the US. If you go to new releases, you can find all the new songs that come out every Friday and albums. With Discover, eventually Spotify will start to realize and understand the music that you like listening to, and they will make recommendations based on that. And if you hit more, you can find concert dates, which will come up right here in a second, of a bunch of different artists. And most importantly, you can find videos. So you can find brand new music videos that I believe not enough people take advantage of. Besides that, once you start finding songs that you like, so for example, if we go into browse and we go into a chart, if we wanted to download this new Jonas Brothers song, we would just hit add to queue, and that would actually save into our new songs. And so then if you go into your songs, and type in the song by the Jonas Brothers, it will come up. Last but certainly not least, if you go into the search bar and type in art and music, you can find our very own playlist, which will help you learn about the newest hip hop and alternative songs. And it will also make it a little bit easier, so you don't have to search around so cluelessly. Thanks again for watching, and I hope everybody knows how to use Spotify perfectly now.